Hello, I'm Sharice. Welcome to my channel, I Make Plans. Today I'll be showing you a quick look at the modified Jinhao 82. So I came across this pen on AliExpress while I was checking the status of some planners I ordered for next year. Saw these images, I'll pop them up, of these modified Jinhao 82s. It wasn't a whole lot of money, so I went on and ordered one. I got the coffee bean in the brown color. Now this pen did come packaged well. I've ordered some Jinhaos from other places and it just came in a plastic sleeve. Now if you're watching this, you probably already know what Jinhao 82s are, so I won't go in much detail, but it's acrylic plastic with a screw off cap and a converter included. This one that I ordered was just described as brown coffee, but it's a sparkle transparent brown. The grip and the cap are cream, they both match, and it has gold trim. Again, not much difference from the regular Jinhao 82s. As you may know, the Jinhao 82s are a dupe to the Sailor Pro Gear Slim, like I'm showing here. This model is the special edition Line Friends in brown. So if you like the look of a Sailor Pro Gear Slim, but the price is just too much, the Jinhao 82s are a good dupe for that. They're also good customizable pens. You can swap out the finials, you can change the caps on each one, you can swap out the bodies, the grips, you can also change the nibs, swap those between the pens. I didn't include a writing sample in this video because I didn't ink the pen because I plan on returning it, but the nibs are the same with the gold plated trim at the tip. I have one in fine and one in medium. Now the bad part of this pen, the modified version is what they're calling it. The only thing that's modified on this pen is the finial. They glued a coffee bean on the top. The photos, beautiful. But when I received it, the coffee bean was off-centered and it had a glob of glue in the middle of the coffee bean. This is crazy, seeing that I spent $21.70 on this when a regular Jinhao 82 costs anywhere from $3 to $8. Now, like I said, I did get this on AliExpress. The shop's name is e-shopping store. I can link it in the description if you're interested in getting you one. It took like 2 weeks for it to get to me. I ordered it on September 25th and received it on October 7th. I know this was a super short video, but thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one.